Hey everyone, welcome back to Discover Agriculture. Winter isn't just for cozy blankets and hot cacao. It's also the perfect season to grow some sweet and healthy fruits. Imagine stepping into your garden on a chilly morning and picking fresh, juicy fruits straight from the tree. In this video, let's discover the best fruits to grow this winter and how to make your garden bloom with color and flavor. Citrus fruits. Start with the classics oranges, lemons, and limes. They love the cool weather and reward you with juicy, tangy fruits bursting with vitamin C. Plus, they fill your garden with that refreshing citrus aroma everyone loves. Strawberries. These little red gems thrive in many regions during winter. Plant them in late fall, and by winter, you'll enjoy sweet, juicy berries perfect for desserts, smoothies, or snacking. Apples and pears. Winter is also the season for apple and pear trees. They love the chill, grow beautifully in cool weather, and their crisp fruits are perfect for jams, pies, or simply fresh from the garden. Kiwis and pomegranates. Did you know kiwi vines adore the cool climate? They're packed with nutrients and taste tangy sweet. And pomegranates, tough, vibrant, and antioxidant rich, bring a burst of flavor and beauty to your winter garden. Persimmons, figs, and mulberries. These fruits not only survive the cold but shine in it. Persimmons add color and sweetness. Figs thrive in mild winters, and hardy mulberries bring you antioxidant rich treats. Winter gardening tips. To keep your fruit gardening thriving, add mulch to perfect roots and retain moisture. Use frost covers for young trees and water deeply but less often as winter trees need hydration too. So, who said winter can't be fruitful? With these amazing fruits, your garden can stay alive, colorful, and productive all season long. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to Discover Agriculture for more farming and gardening insights.